Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Grow with Bhola. I hope you all are doing good. So today in this video we will learning about screen pinning. So mostly in this video I will tell you about this option. So with the help of this tricks, you can give your smartphone to any kids or any relative without any fear. Like if any kids want to watch YouTube videos, and you will give your smartphone to the kids. So you might wondering that kids will delete your files, or they will go to your other application like Instagram, Facebook. So with the tricks of this application, I mean these tricks, you can lock your application. Like if kids want to watch YouTube, so they only can watch YouTube. They can't go back or can't switch to other application. So I will show how it's work. So before that, I will show the option. So I'm going. After that, go to security. There have security. Then go to screen pinning. I've already on it, but if you have off, then just turn on. So it's on. Now I'm going to YouTube. Okay. So as you can see, I'm open my YouTube. So I'll minimize it. Okay. So when I scroll up, so there have appear screen pinning. You can see it's appear. Okay. Now when I scroll, it's disappear, and when I scroll up, it's appear. So simply I will click on it. Okay. Then tap on go it. So my screen is pinned, and now I can't go to other application. Like I'm click my back key, but it's not working. Home button, it's not working. App minimize key, recent key, I mean it's recent app key, it's not working. Any of application, they are not working. Only you can watch YouTube. So when you go to subscribe my channel to get new tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.